I am Alan J. Domingo, 45 years old. I'm a nuclear medicine doctor from TBC. As a doctor, we spend countless hours taking care of other people, and most of the time to the extent sacrificing our own health. So, going back to the challenges of my life, even recently diagnosed with major depression disorder. Looking back, choosing the lifestyle modification by getting those small steps and small choices in order for me to go to the path towards my wellness and fitness became my being to ensure that I will be able to regrow or rebirth my fitness and my wellness, as well as my body and my mental health. Nowadays, I would like to resonate to the busy professionals, even the fellow healthcare workers, that this will be still our time to make sure that we can have good choices towards the path of proving that we can have the best version of ourselves. And this is my supervisor here.
Thank you. Your question will come from Judge Jules.
Hi, Alan. So I'm actually quite curious what nuclear medicine means, and how do you use that to advocate for fitness?
Alright, so that question gets a lot of the time because not most people don't know what is nuclear medicine. So we basically use, or we do nuclear bombs, not just kidding. So we use radioactive medication. So in a short note, if you recall the periodic table in our chemistry, those last elements are actually radioactive. And those ones are the ones that we use for diagnostic and treating. And you don't want to be my patient because most of the application is in cancer and oncology. So, but in terms of the fitness, I think, of course, there's not much direct relation, but being an example to my fellow doctors, especially the healthcare workers with me, I would have.
All right, quick follow-up question. How do we not end up seeing you or having an appointment with you? Like, what's one simple advice so we don't have to see you and have an appointment?
That's a very good follow-up question. As I have said a while ago, I think encouraging people to choose those small steps to ensure that we have proper choices, small choices that can actually rebound, or in the long run, day by day, week by week, month by month, that we will be able to make those small choices that will impact our lives, turning around our wellness and fitness, and then maybe you'll not be my patient anymore.
Thank you.
Male number